Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to this Django series. In this series, I'm going to discuss today about the Django admin panel customizations. How you can customize our Django admin panels. Okay. So for that, here we will use one Django library is called Django Jazzmin. So let's go first in the official website of that. Let's type here Django Jazzmin. Yeah, this is you are seeing here. This is the official website for Django Jazzmin. Just have to read the documentations and requirements. See, so this is the official website. It will come look like this. Before you can see the Django page, now it will come like this. This is the page. So let's come here for installations. For that, just we have to install here. Just run this command pip install -u Django Jazzmin. It will install. Even you can go here. Here you can search the Django Jazzmin. See, just to copy and you can install here. And then you have to do some small setup in the settings.py file. So let's start our coding. We'll see. For that, guys, let's create a small project. It's called I have already installed in my system Django, and all setups we have already. So let's here start create a small project. It's Django admin start project in Pro-01. Okay, we'll see. Created. You can able to see here Pro-01. So let's go. Let's create one applications. We'll call app1. That's it. So in the system, I think I don't have install here Django. So let's install here. Pip install Django. See. Okay. It will take time. So we'll wait for that. Guys, now you're able to see it's already installed. Now let's create the our applications. Okay. It's created. You'll see here now application app name is Pro. So let's go on the Visual Studio Code, guys. There will do the setups. So now here already I opened the project in the Visual Studio Code. See, so just we have to do a small setup from here. So for that setup, just we have to install our Django Jazzmin modules. Okay, so let's open here the terminals. We'll see. Let me enable my virtual environment. Yeah, it's already enabled. So now let's install our Django Jazzmin module. Before installing, let's run first how it look like. Okay, see, let's run python manage.py cancel. Running on the default portals here. So no need to worry about migration and migrate things. Okay, we'll see later. So this is now just we are learning here to how to customize our Django admin panels. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so let's see. Select this. Okay, our application is running successfully. Now just go on the admin side, see here no such type of table Django session. So first we have to do make migration and migrate. So some of the default default tables, whatever Django is giving the default table, so it will be create automatically. Is okay guys? So for this just we will run from here python manage.py make migrations is just creating the migration files for all the models, but there is a default one is there, so no need. So now just migrate. Okay, so just created all the tables for that. Okay, now we'll see. Now once we will run this one, then we will see here, if we refresh this one, no, there is no problem for that. Okay, forget about this one, style customization things. Okay, we'll see here it's running now. Now here is no any problem for that. So this is the design for this. So now we will install this one, Django Jazzmin. We are installing 2.6.0 version. So to install this one, and we'll do some customizations, like some setups is there. So we have to add this one, Django Jazzmin, on the top in the installed apps. Okay, so let's see the install app, we have to add on the top. Now we will go and reload this one. See something, now dashboard is coming like this. Okay, so we will do everything here. Now for that, just I have to create, we have to log in here. So we will create the super users. Okay, so let's create the super users. Create super users. So just put 1 2 3 4. It's created. Okay guys, so let's logged in inside. Before going in the admin panels, I want to show you the default, how it's working for default one. So for that, just I am planning to remove this one. Let's see. Okay, we'll see, we'll go inside. Okay, so this is a styles, so don't worry about these things how it's coming, but this is a styles. Okay guys, now once now we'll go here and comment these ones. So guys, now we did the setups here. Let me show you that part also, what I did here. So here first, what I did here, let's see, first I installed this one. Okay, then I created super users. Okay, now after installing, creating, now I added this one in the settings.py file. Okay, this is a basic stuff, basic settings we have to follow, this must. Okay, now just will reload this one. Okay, see, the style is completely changed here. Okay, this is just logged out. Welcome. Now question says there, if you want to customize this, all those things, we able to customize everything. In the next video we are going to see. Just we see here in this video, it's like how to setups Django Jazzmin is there. this is the things. So we are aware. And here see the options, we can add the group, create the group, everything's okay. So see, a style is look quite easy, quite good if you compare that previous Django default templates. Okay, but this is available from here. You have to go through this documentations. Here is available. Okay guys, thank you. We'll meet in the next videos.